Pankaj and I am from Bangalore, India. I'm a tarot card reader and angel card reader and angel healer. And I have done few courses on meditation, chakra meditation and chakra healing, and meditation on forgiveness and meditation on mindfulness. So what meditation therapies can do or how they help you is they they act as a miracle in your life, and meditation will definitely help you to become a better person day by day. So if you want to know more about on these courses, you can DM me on my Instagram or on my Facebook page. I will share the link in the description box. And yeah, with the help of meditation you can come out of issues like stress, anger, or negativity. If you are dealing with any kind of negativity in your life, it will help you to calm down and take a better decisions in life. So if you want to solve all these issues from your life, or if you want to know more about these therapies, you can DM me, okay? And yeah, we'll start today's reading. Today's topic is again paid and few. I'm doing few paid and free readings for my clients, and to maintain the privacy of my clients, I'm having a I share the token number with them. So yeah, I will be taking the token numbers, and yeah, I'm using the classic Rider White deck today for guidance, and I have two oracle cards sets with me. One is Work Your Light Oracle deck, and the next one is Daily Guidance Angel. Okay, and yeah, if you are watching, if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe. And if you are watching for this my video for to get your guidance or to get your answers, so I suggest you to do a meditation of 5 or 10 minutes or whatever time frame whichever suits for you. Play some good music, or if you don't want to play any music, you can sit in a calm place and take deep breath in and breathe out. Do this exercise for 5 to 10 minutes, so it will help you to calm yourself, and you will be able to receive the messages from the divine or from the universe or from your spirit guides or from angels, okay, whatever you call. And okay, so I suggest you to pause this video here and do some meditation and then watch this, okay? Okay, so now I will be taking a reading for token number 68. So before starting, as it's my habit to do some prayers, so I will be doing some prayers here. Okay. Okay, so now for token number 68. So your question is related to being a successful in your life. You have few doubts about your life, and definitely the outcome, like you are in a such a situation, maybe this comes in a situation as a situation card. So maybe you are thinking, you have some plans about your life or your career, and you are thinking about implementing those things, or implementing those in your life. Okay, this is two of wands, and definitely you are thinking about something, some big plans in your life, and you know about the situation, and you know if you implement how much it will be going to successful, or what are the hurdles you are going to receive and all. So definitely you are thinking something new or something big, and according to cards, suggestion is you need to go for it, okay, without thinking anything, or without thinking too much about it. You should go for it. This is the guidance card for you, or your situation card. And you are facing few struggles, and that all are, you are facing it all alone, without anyone's help. You are trying to solve all these issues. This card represents the whatever the situation or whatever hurdles is. All you are doing is, you are doing like this person is trying to figure out things alone here, yeah, as the card represents. So like this, maybe you are doing all things without anyone's help or without anyone's support. You are trying to figure it out, okay. So these two cards represents your current situation, and current situation is like you have big plans, and you are doing everything by alone. And what the outcome is like a celebration. See, you have you have received this card. This is a three of cups, and three of cups, as this card represents here in card, these three are celebrating. So it's could be your family, or you are celebrating this happiness or this success with your family or with your friends. And next one is outcome, is three of cups, and again the outcome card is four of wands. So four of wands, what it represents is, here can you see, people are celebrating some kind of victory or some kind of movement is here. People are celebrating that situation. Maybe it's related to housewarming, or related to anything, any big social event in their life. Okay, so yes, so whatever you are going to, whatever you are thinking to implement in your life, please go ahead. Maybe you will receive some hurdles right now. Maybe you won't get much support from anyone in your family or from your friend circle, but definitely it's going to be a big success, and you are going to be a successful. If you are thinking about starting business, and if you are going to be a successful entrepreneur, and yes, and with this card, the on-site opportunities also reflect in this card. So by seeing, my intuitions are telling, my intuitions are telling me that, giving the messages that you are going to be successful in your life, definitely. But initially you may face some kind of difficulties. Maybe that's why you have, maybe right now you are you are facing such situations, so maybe that question arised in your mind that I'm going to be successful or not. So the guidance and the answer is yes, you need to work on your plans and you're going to be successful. Okay, thank you so much. I hope it's resonates and I hope it's helpful with you. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe, because I have done my part as giving a free reading to you, and it's now your turn to do the needful as an energy exchange. Okay, so don't play the game of, I'm not telling particularly to you, but to everyone out there who is watching this video, to get their answers, or any newcomers or anyone out there, that if you have received any free reading from any of tarot readers, please do the needful by whatever the conditions they ask for you, like giving a like on their social media pages of Facebook or Instagram, or subscribing to their channel. Okay, so now token number 68, I would like to take angel guidance message for you as well. So according to tarot, you are going to be successful, no doubt. We'll see what angel guidance holds for you. Okay, so this one is for okay. Okay, so the message is cleanse and detoxify. Maybe uh, this appeared because you are in a so much of tension, or you are thinking too much about this situation right now. So the need is here is to cleanse and detoxify yourself by doing some meditation, or taking care of your body with the help of meditation, or you can go for any water therapy, or anything which soothes your mind and keep yourself, and which helps you to keep calm. Okay, so you should go for such therapies. If you need any help in this, please message me, I will help you. Okay, so thank you so much for, and wish you all the best and good luck for your plans, future plans. Okay, thank you. And the next one is token number 69. So your question is related to your career growth. Okay, so again, little bit of prayer for this person again. So okay, so okay, one card flipped out. I will take it as it is. Okay, so um, sorry. So token number 69. Your current situation is not so good in a career point of view, maybe because I have received this five of wands. So what this represents is, here can you see few people like they are fighting for something. So it represents some kind of disagreement with something. So maybe in your work life, in your office, you are facing some kind of disagreements with your senior or with your colleagues or in your team. So and so simply, if I want to give you the answer is, career growth is it's happening, but it's not taking a rapid growth as you were expecting. Maybe and this card, while shuffling, it came out, flipped out. So this card is a devil. So devil, what it represents here is someone is playing mind game in your career, or in your maybe your senior, or someone is, if you are expecting something about promotion or anything, maybe some of your one of your senior or who is involved in your team are playing some games, and that person is a responsibleness, that person is acting as a that person is holding your all the promotion activities and all. So this card came out while shuffling, so that's the guidance from the angels guidance. And yeah, as I was saying that the promotion or any growth is not happening rapidly as you are expecting. It will if you want to, if you want something good or something, if you are expecting anything, the good news in your career, it will take some time. If I consider these cards as 69, if you are expecting anything, so it's not going to be happen right now, it will take some time, as this card represents five of cups. You are something is missing in your life, maybe in a career. If you have asked related to your career growth, so something is missing, and something is missing, maybe you are missing some skills, uh, related skills for your career growth. So you need to work on that. And if I consider this as a time frame also, it's going to take some time, maybe a few years, because this is the pentacles card. So pentacles represents the slow motion if we take it in a time frame. Okay, and apart from that, I've received some other cards, but it's all mixed feelings are here. So this is the three of wands. So three of wands represents a person is evaluating himself or herself, that what they have done or what are the achievement they have done in the past, and what is their next plan. So you need to work on all these things, you need to work on your skills here, and you need to definitely consider yourself as a successful. Don't feel sad by this reading, because you have done something great in your life, considering your career. So you have achieved something, so you need you need to be happy for that, and you need to think that how again you can achieve those things, or how can you implement those things so that you can achieve something big in your life. Other than that, this is like you need to be little bit of you need to think little bit logical also this time. And definitely some lady is here. This is a queen of swords, so this lady is going to help you to take right decisions, or she will guide you in a proper way. So maybe she is your senior or your close friend in a in your office, so she is going to help you. Okay, so I wish very good luck to you. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. And yeah, as I said earlier, for the other person, like, don't play the games of follow and unfollow, and do the needful for this free readings. Okay, thank you so much. And I will take some angel guidance for you. So angel guidance. Angel guidance is okay. So you need to clear your mind. This card is the ocean. Again, this represents something you are not so happy, or you are thinking too much. As the Five of Cups represents, the same energy represents here in this angel guidance card also. So you need to work on that. You need to come out of that depression, or yeah. And definitely I would suggest you to spend some time near any um, near to any park, or you can this is the ocean card related to water. So maybe near waterfall, or near the beach, or any park near your locality. But considering the COVID situation, going out is not so safe. So what you can do is you can bring some this miniature garden kind of things. Those are available on e-commerce platform, or any gift shop, which includes the miniature of garden and waterfall, and this tabletop waterfall setup and everything. So you need to spend some time, if you are comfortable, spend some time with that, playing some playful or playing some music. And another card I have received here is the child. So you are like what this card represents is you are a very innocent person, and you like to spend time with kids. So whatever makes you happy, you should go for it. And as child or kids, they represents very joyfulness, and they represents the happiness, because they don't know anything like cunningness or anything. They are very pure souls. So like that, to um, you need to consider yourself as a kid, and you need to do what makes you happy. You should take any projects which makes you happy, like hobbies. That could be hobbies, or anything else. Or you can spend some time with in the nature. And if you spend some time with kids also, uh, you will get some ideas. Your mind will become fresh and you will get some new ideas how to implement and implement them in your career. Okay, so thank you so much, and I hope it's resonating, and wish you good luck for you. Okay, so next one is token number 70. Okay, okay, so token number 70. So your question is related to your career choice. So okay, okay, what is this angel guidance? Okay, so your question is related to your choice of choice in career, choosing a right career. So definitely you should go for it, whatever you have in your mind. So whatever you ask for me, the answer is yes, and yes. So this one is for first choice, the first option which is in your mind, related to finance. Yes, yes, yes. And you have other thing in your mind, so this is definitely yes, yes. Okay, and in this, related to finance, everything is good, because uh, this is the Five of Pentacles. Usually this represents the destruction in financial conditions, but here I have received this as reversed. So nothing to worry, nothing to worry. Okay, everything will be fine. So this one is related to finances, related to choice of finance. So yes, this is the yes. Okay, you should consider it. And the other option which is in your mind, it's definitely a S card. So growth will be slow and steady, but definitely it will be yes, because it's the Knight of Cups, and as this cards represents, and if you see, the person is moving forward, the horse also moving in a slow, this motion is very slow here. So, and this person know how to take decisions and how to implement, uh, when to implement those things, all the techniques or tactics, this person is very well aware of about it. So definitely you are the person. If this career choice has come up or pop up in your mind, that means you are the person who is thinking about it and taking care about it. You know what is the growth will be, or what is the success rate, or what is the failure rate. You definitely know about it. So this represents you, and you know everything well. And if you take this as a career option, the growth will be slow, and yeah, but definitely growth will be there, but it in a uh, slow moving. And this is the major arcana. I have received another card here. So this major arcana is like, this is the temperance card. So temperance card is like balancing, like this person here in this image, he is balancing. So definitely you should balance things in your life if you choose this as a career. And some change will be there, or you may face some difficulties, or like uh, this person is going away from something. And if you see that this person is looking back, holding few swords in his hand, but he is looking back. So definitely uh, if you are in this situation, or if you choose this as a career, you should be aware about what are the success, or what people will play manipulative games, isn't it, in this career choice. uh, it's uh, it's definitely based on market. And some people will play a manipulative game also in this option. So you should be aware about all these things. But considering this also, if you are okay to face all the hurdles or all the manipulative games or anything, it's going to be very successful for you. Nothing to worry. And as of now, these two cards came in a situation card. So situation is like, maybe you are not so happy with some of your decisions, or you are facing some difficulties with your seniors in your work life. So you should try to solve those issues. Okay, this is the five of wands. You should try to solve those issues, but definitely everything will going to be successful, or you will come out of this situation very well. Because here I have received another major arcana here. So this card represents the empress energy. So as you see, uh, she is sitting on a throne, and like around her the vibes or the energies are very good vibes are here. So this card is a very positive card in a tarot deck. So nothing to worry. Just focus on this thing, what is going on in your work life. Try to solve all those issues. Okay, and rest everything is fine. And this card came out while shuffling. So this is the emperor card. So what you have to do is, this represents the senior person, or a fatherly figure, or senior person. If you take it in a family, it represents the fatherly figure. And if you take it in a career point of view, it's some of your seniors. So you should definitely reach out for the person who is in position to guide you. Maybe your father, or you are still studying, I guess. So you should. And this is actually a head of the institution also, we can consider HOD kind of thing. So you should reach out and you should take some consultation with them to decide, because whatever you are choosing, all those things are definitely going to be successful for you. Whatever you are wishing, everything is coming in your life. So consider which one you want to go for it. Take decisions with the help of your family, or with any of your senior, or any of your HOD or anyone. So but this card in a current situation is like, you are a very happy person, nothing to worry, no need to worry about anything. Whatever you wish in a life, everything is coming in your way. So wish you a good luck, and yeah, wish you good luck, and don't worry about anything. Thank you so much. And we'll take angel guidance for you. Angel will see what holds for you. Angel guidance. Okay. So what is the angel guidance is, don't feel hesitation, because this card represents opportunity to forgive, and this is the family card also. So what this card represents is opportunity to forgive. So as this card represents, the name is mentioning opportunity to forgive. So if you are thinking you are going to be unsuccessful, or any kind of negativity, any kind of negative uh, thoughts are coming, don't worry about all those things. Everything is going to be okay. And as the other cards represent, as a card represents message of family, you should take advice from your family, so they will guide you. But whatever you choose or whatever you do in your life, you are going to be successful, so don't worry. Okay, thank you so much. And today, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, and do follow me on my Facebook page and my Instagram. And you can also win the chance for free reading. And yeah, you can contact me on my DM on my Instagram. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I wish everyone a very happy Yugadi. It's late by 2 days, but it's our new year, so I thought to wish everyone. So wish you a very happy Yugadi, a Hindu new year to everyone. And good luck those who have approached me for their whatever the queries. I wish good luck to everyone, and lots of love and light to everyone. Thank you so much, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.